5 seconds. Comments. The common people have always been the focus of all our initiatives. It has been an unprecedented year for customer oriented works. IR's responsiveness to customer needs reached new heights when we turned social media into a feedback and complaint redressal mechanism. In addition, we set up a dedicated IVRS system to seek direct feedback from passengers. More than 1 lakh telephone calls are made every day to seek inputs from passengers. With all these measures, we were able to give voice to the customer that was not only heard but also acted upon. These channels were used not only to seek feedback but to provide medical care, safety of passengers, especially women, and other aspects of human care, and also helped us to monitor the cleanliness of stations and trains. Today, there is no barrier between the common passenger and the railways. The punctuality performance of passenger trains has been a matter of concern for several decades. We have a porous network which leads to rampant infiltration by humans and animals. Problems are compounded by congestion in tracks, terminal capacity constraints, and asset failures. The worst affected is the busy Ghaziabad to Mughalsari section through Allahabad and Kanpur, which spreads across 3 zonal railways, thereby impacting the overall punctuality of the entire network. We initiated the audit of operations on this section to improve our performance. Some improvement is already visible, and capacity augmentation in the medium term will further reduce the delays. Besides internal reasons, there are also external reasons such as agitations on railway tracks which lead to punctuality losses. I appeal to my fellow citizens to desist from this as it causes loss not only to the nation but also to them as passengers. Last year, I had announced Operation 5 Minutes to enable passengers to purchase tickets without spending long hours in queues. We introduced Wi Fi services at stations, especially for our youth and business travelers. The process has begun. We intend to commission Wi Fi services at 100 stations this year and at 400 more stations in the next 2 years. We are partnering with Google in this endeavor. I take this opportunity to invite all other service providers and entrepreneurs to partner with us in this initiative. The passenger experience is significantly governed by the efficiency and quality of services on a railway station. Besides improvement in service, a redevelopment railway station would also provide opportunities for generating significant non tariff revenues. We are redeveloping our stations using different models. In a landmark decision, Cabinet has improved redevelopment of 400 stations through PPP.